Welcome to the Maths Made Easy tutorial on pie charts. So a pie chart is a circular chart, and the size of each segment, each wedge of the circle, is proportional to the amount of things in that particular category. So the best way to sort of illustrate this is by drawing a pie chart. So if we start with a really basic example, so let's say that there's a question asked to a bunch of people about what type of sandwich they prefer. So they're given two options, or three options, let's say, of ham, cheese, and then other for any other sandwich. And then you would usually be given a frequency for each option. So let's add a frequency column, and let's say that there's 18 people who like ham, 9 people who like cheese, and 9 people who say other. So the first thing we do when we have a frequency column is we look for the total amount across all the different categories. So let's just add an option here at the bottom, total. So if we add 18 plus 9 plus 9, that gives us a total of 36. Now, we want to work out what angle is represented in the pie chart by each of these categories. Now we know that there's 360 degrees in a circle, so the amount of the circle that one person takes up will be 360 divided by our total, which is 36. So therefore that is 10. So 10 degrees represents one person. So let's just make a note of that. So now that we know what proportion of the circle one person takes up, we can work out what proportion of the circle is taken up by each of the categories. So let's add an option here, or a column for the angle for each category. So if one person takes up 10 degrees, and for ham there's 18 people, then that will be an angle of 180 degrees. And then cheese, there are 9 people in that category, so the angle is 9 times 10, which is 90 degrees, and that's the same for the other category. So all that's left is to plot the pie chart. So the first category is 180 degrees, that's the ham option. So 180 degrees is half a circle. So let's label that ham. And then the remaining two categories are 90 degrees. So that's cheese and other. So obviously this is quite a straightforward example, but if you follow the same principles for more complicated examples, you can't really go far wrong. A couple of things to note though, when you're drawing your circle, make sure you do that with a compass, and whenever you're measuring angles, so they might not be 180 degrees or 90 degrees, you should use a protractor to make sure that they're accurate. If you're feeling strong on this topic, then you can test your strength with our Pie Charts online exam. It's available through our revision platform, and if you take the test, you'll find loads of different questions to have a go at, a variety of different question types, and you'll receive instant feedback on everything. So if you want to find out where your strengths and weaknesses lie, this is a really good way of doing so. If you're interested and you want to take the exam, then you can click the link below and it will take you straight there.